today, and my people have a little video explaining how we're going to replace the pads on the JBL E55bt headphones I bought 3 or 4 years ago. I have paid 90 euros for them and they have been using me. What we need to see here is that I will show you with pads and without pads. The glue is in the 2 areas I just pointed out, and you have to be very careful because we don't want to damage the headphones. There are 4 pins. They are the 4 pins that we have to remove the cushion. Sorry, cushion, just like you see here. The color I bought is exactly the same as the color I already have. Will they notice anything? It has glue in the middle and glue at the top and bottom. They have to keep it this way so it doesn't fall off and nothing is damaged when the old cushions are removed. So take a good look at him. Be careful with rayon and padding. I bought them at Amazon for only 11 euros. I don't recommend using metal tools. I suggest you use hot or plastic tools to remove old tools. But you will understand why. Unfortunately, the plastic tools failed and I couldn't use them to remove glue or pedestal, so I would use my metal tools. If the pads are good and handled well, you can simply do the task with ease, activate them, and see the exact location of the pins you must consider when removing the base. Here, I'll loosen the glue first. I continue to try to use plastic tools because I don't want to scratch the hearing aid, but metal tools are more effective, so I use it as much as possible, the glue inside. Well, loosen up here and you can get a good look at the look and position of the glue, and you can see it as well. How does it work on the bases? Bring some wine and towels. I've cleaned up 2 jets and they're ready to install the cushions. I use 90-degree alcohol with 101 wipes, and I can remove all the residues bit by bit. From the glue left here, we can more or less see that the edges of the hearing aids are not much damaged. That's what I see, and I'm always interested in keeping it in good shape. Okay, so what we're going to do now is determine what's on the left and what's on the right. Always know that the control button is on the right and the button is on the right. Sorry, on the left we don't have a button. This is our right and left buttons. We don't have anything. We already have our cushions. We can start the installation process. When inserting, remember to do enough power before the clip sounds. They've plugged in nicely. Pad, you will feel everything when you click, and it is obvious that the glue will do the job of completely sealing the hearing aid. Do your little strength to make the glue stick well to our earphone AA. Finally, we put the last cushion. Well, you forget, my people, like and share. Forget to subscribe to more videos like this. We'll be drawing lots over the next few days, and don't forget to subscribe to the race. Until the next time.